Hello friends, how are you? My name is Veer. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to install Unity for the first time. So let's get started. First, we will go to Chrome obviously and search Unity. Here, yeah, and then we will click on Enter. So it will load and and then we will click on their Unity's main link, Unity Real-Time Development Platform. And here you can make 3D, 2D games. So here you will click on download button. So it will show us like download from Windows. So we will click on this and it will download, and you have to agree their terms and conditions, and then it will show you a button that finished. Then when you will click on it, it will download it and at your desktop. See, at your desktop you can see Unity have been installed, and when you click on it, it will open up. And if you want to run any project, you want a version. So I have installed Unity 2021 version. You can install anyone, that if you are comfortable in anyone, you can download anyone. So I'm opening it up. Okay, so it's opening. It will take time, so you can wait it up. And I'm pausing this video because it will take time. So waiting. Guys, I'm waiting for a long time, but it is not loading Unity Hub. So I think I have to end this video up because it's already 2 minutes. So I will end this video. In next video I will open Unity Hub and tell you how to create project and tell you the basics of Unity. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you.